Okay, all right, now we got much better microphone set up now. Hopefully not much background noise, just the voice of me and the job we're working on. We're going to try and do a data recovery on this. It's been about a week sitting here. Some physical damage. Can it be saved? I have no idea. I'm going to put safety glasses on. There's going to be a lot of crackling of you know, glass shredded everywhere. Okay, I don't even know which phone this is. Looks like an OPPO. Still OPPO. Let's see what the issue is. See what can be done. It uses the Type C. Let's see what happens when we connect the charger Type C on my charging station. And yeah, it does charge. I can feel the buzzing. It's actually charging. Okay, one sec. Hello, SureCan speaking. Yeah, okay. So now it's charging, no problem. How can I also show you? Also would like to show you so we can fix this together. It's been a big mess in my workshop. Okay, that's better. We can see some information. Thought I smell a burn, but no, it's okay. So that's a good sign. It tells me that it's charging. Oh, okay. It could be the cable. That's fine. Okay. Now, I'd like to know if this guy works, if there's any pin number or anything like that. Let me see if it will also turn on. When turning on, usually it should go down to 0 in the amps and then go back later. Okay, it's currently turning on. I can feel it. Okay, I think it's turning on. Let it load. Okay. I brought with me a laptop, a Windows 10 laptop. I'd like to see what happens when this is connected to a computer, because we're interested only in the photos and contacts. Maybe if it's working to a certain degree, we can just dump the data straight away. Okay. Let it charge at the same time. Have a look at device manager. We should see the list refresh when it's connected. So now Computer also has Type-C. Here we go. Do your magic. CPH 2021. Oh, hey, how are you? Give me 1 second. CPH, CP 2021. Okay, a bit of interruptions, that's fine. Yeah, we were checking the health of this computer. Not this computer, mobile phone. Okay, sign in. Okay, the phone most likely died in the time frame. I left it here. Okay, try turning it on again. Oh, here we go. CPH 2021. Let's have a look what that says. Come on. Let's bring tablet mode on. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. This is not the right time. Work. A91, okay. Okay. And on the device manager, what else? Does it come up as a storage unit? No. Okay, it doesn't. So it probably needs an unlock. Okay, maybe in recovery. I'm not sure. We don't have another screen. A91, hey? Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can do anything about this. Partial disassembly there already. Safety glasses. Have to take it off when wearing masks. It's horrible. Okay. Will I come in with the heat? Maybe. 120 degrees. Wow. You can't even hear this machine working. Or the traffic behind me. Maybe except that truck. Nice. Okay, I can start to smell plastic burning. Maybe that's enough. because this is a completely dead model, I'm going to be rough with it. Yep, I'm actually going to cut the casing. Okay. Yeah, so don't comment things like ruining the phone or whatever. This is not one of those videos about we're doing screen change or something. We're doing data recovery. We just want a working phone. The motherboard looks intact. I think this one should be doable. So there's water contact. Maybe there was a bit of water contact too. So what I'm thinking we do is get a temporary screen and just transfer the data across. Or most possibly get a complete replacement phone. One of the two. So I'll quote the client, see what they want to do, and then we'll make a part 2 of this video. No problem. Keep the battery in there, we might need it. Not sure yet. Let's see. Okay, I'll leave it at this for now until we decide, client decides what they want to do. So we'll go from there. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. This will be part 1.